Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Talk Channel, the place where we put the action into your English learning. I'm Emma.
Hello, Emma. Hello, friends. I am jumping. I am greeting you. I am exercising.
Rahul, please stop jumping. You are shaking the microphone. Why are you so energetic today?
Because today is all about verbs, Emma. Verbs are action words. So I am acting. I am running, jumping, sweating, breathing. I am verbling.
Verbling is not a word, Rahul, but you're right. Today we are talking about the engine of the English sentence, the verb.
The engine. Vroom, vroom. Without a verb, a sentence is just a pile of nouns staring at each other.
Exactly. Rahul, pizza. That means nothing. But Rahul eats pizza. Now we have a story.
A delicious story. But Emma, verbs are easy. I run, I sleep, I eat. End of lesson. Can we go home?
Not so fast. If verbs are so easy, why did you say, I am liking this exercise yesterday?
Because I was doing it. It was happening now.
Ah, and there is the trap. You see, Rahul, not all verbs are created equal. There are two big teams, action verbs and state verbs.
Teams? Is there a championship game?
Sort of, and if you mix them up, you sound strange. So today, we're going to master the difference.
Okay, I'm ready. Team action versus team state. Let's go.
But before the whistle blows, we have a request for our listeners.
Yes, if you want to join our team, please subscribe to Easy English Talk.
And smash the like button. Those are all action verbs, by the way.
Click, subscribe, share. Do it now.
Okay, Rahul, let's start with the easy team, action verbs. These are also called dynamic verbs.
Dynamic. Sounds like a superhero. Captain Dynamic.
These verbs describe physical actions or things that happen, things you can see.
Like run, jump, dance, cook.
Yes. Can you take a photo of someone running?
Yes. Click.
Can you take a video of someone cooking?
Yes.
Because these are actions, we can use them in the continuous form, ing. I am running. She is cooking. They are dancing.
This is easy. I am eating a sandwich.
Perfect. No problems there. Now we meet the tricky team, state verbs.
Do they work for the government?
No, they describe a state of being, a feeling, or a thought. They do not describe physical movement.
Like feelings?
Yes, verbs like love, like, hate, want, need, know, believe.
Okay. I love pizza.
Correct. Now here's the golden rule. State verbs usually cannot have an ing.
Wait, never?
Almost never. You cannot say, I am loving pizza. You just say, I love pizza.
But the McDonald's commercial. Bada bada ba, I'm loving it.
I knew you would say that. McDonald's broke the grammar rule on purpose to sound cool and casual, but in proper English, it's wrong.
My whole life is a lie. So I can't say I am liking you, Emma?
No, you say, I like you, Emma.
Can I say I am knowing the answer?
No. Can you take a photo of knowing? Can you see knowing happen?
No, it's in my brain.
Exactly. So simple form only. I know the answer.
I am wanting a coffee?
Wrong.
I want a coffee.
Correct.
I am believing in ghosts?
Wrong.
I believe in ghosts. Wow, this is actually hard. I always use ing because I think it sounds active.
Many students do that. They think ing means now, but for state verbs, now is still simple tense. I need help now, not I am needing help.
Okay. Honestly, Emma, I'm a little confused. How do I know which list a verb is on? Is there a list of these state verbs?
There are many lists, Rahul, like love, like, hate, understand, belong, own. It can be overwhelming to memorize all of them.
I feel like I need to test myself, like I need a quiz to force it into my brain.
Well, Rahul, you are in luck because we have the perfect tool for that.
Is it a robot teacher?
Better, it's our new book on Amazon, Master English Grammar, Multiple Choice Questions.
Wait, does it have a section on verbs?
It has a huge section on verbs. It has hundreds of MCQs, multiple choice questions, specifically about tenses and verb types.
So it will ask me A, I know him, or B, I am knowing him.
Exactly, and you have to pick the right one. It's the best way to practice because you see the common mistakes right in front of you.
That's amazing. I learn best when I make mistakes, and with a book, nobody sees me cry when I get it wrong.
It's a fantastic resource for self-study. We put the link in the description below. If you want to stop guessing and start knowing, not being knowing, get the book.
Stop guessing, start knowing. I'm going to order it. I want the book. See? No wanting.
Perfect application, Rahul. Now that you have the book for practice, let's talk about the advanced level, the double agents.
Spies?
Some verbs can be both action and state, but the meaning changes.
Oh no. Give me an example.
Take the verb have, state, possession. I have a car. Can I say I am having a car?
No, that sounds like you're eating the car.
Exactly. Have for possession is a state, no ing. But action meaning, experience or eating. I am having lunch. I am having a party. I am having a shower.
Ah, I have a shower means there's a shower in my bathroom, state. I am having a shower means I'm washing myself right now, action.
Brilliant. Now let's try think. State, opinion. I think English is fun. Can I say I am thinking English is fun?
No, it's my opinion. It stays there.
Correct. But action, the brain process. I am thinking about my dinner.
Ah, my brain is moving, processing. So, I think you are smart, opinion. I am thinking about buying a boat, mental action.
You got it. One more. See. State, using your eyes. I see a bird, not I am seeing a bird.
Okay, I see you.
But action, meeting someone or dating someone. I am seeing the doctor tomorrow.
I am seeing my girlfriend tonight.
Exactly. It means meeting. This is tricky, but it makes sense.
I see the doctor means I see him with my eyes. I am seeing the doctor. I have an appointment.
You are on fire today, Rahul.
Okay, hit me. Test me. I'm ready.
I'll give you a sentence. You tell me if it's correct or incorrect.
Bring it on.
1. I am understanding the lesson.
Incorrect. Understand is a brain state. It should be I understand the lesson.
Correct. 2. The soup is tasting good.
Ooh, tricky. The soup is not doing an action, it just is good. So, incorrect? The soup tastes good?
Yes, but what if I put the spoon in my mouth?
Then I am tasting the soup. That's an action.
Perfect. 3. She is looking beautiful.
Many people say this, but look, appearance is a state. So she looks beautiful?
Technically, yes, though in casual English, people often say looking good. Grammatically, she looks beautiful is better.
4. I am needing the bathroom.
Incorrect. Need is a state. I need the bathroom.
I need it right now.
And finally, I am loving this episode.
Ah, the McDonald's trap. Grammatically incorrect. I love this episode.
Stick to the grammar for the test, Rahul. Be cool later.
Okay, I love this episode.
Wow, we covered a lot. Let's bring it all together.
Let's break it down.
1. Action verbs or dynamic. Physical actions like run, cook, eat. You can use ing. I am running.
2. State verbs. Feelings, thoughts, possessions, like, know, have. No ing. I like, not I am liking.
3. The possession rule. Have means own equals no ing. I have a car. Have means eat or experience. Ing is okay. I am having lunch.
4. The opinion rule. Think means opinion, no ing. I think it's good. Think means processing, ing is okay. I am thinking about it.
You listeners, tell us in the comments below. Answer this question. What are you thinking about right now? Action. Or what do you think about AI? Opinion.
Use the verbs correctly. I am thinking about, I think that.
Tell us in English.
Please subscribe to Easy English Talk.
And give us a thumbs up. We love you, not we are loving you.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
I'm going to have a snack now. Action.